Hey guys, welcome back. So have you been asking yourself, is the DJI Mavic Air 2 a good purchase in 2022? Well, I think the short answer is yes, but let me show you. So I hope you enjoyed that little cinematic video, just to show you really what this drone can do, but only really probably scratching the surface. Filmed that the other day using just 2 out of the 3 batches from the Fly More combo. So as ever with this guy, we've got 4K 60, probably the headline feature in a way. We've got intelligent modes, so we've got active track, point of interest, things like that. So you can circle it around an object, you can let it follow you, follow a car, follow a bike, follow pretty much anything as long as it's not going too fast. 12 megapixel photos, JPEG and RAW. We've got the old 48 megapixel photo, which is a bit, using this quad Bayer sensor, it's not really 48 megapixel. I think it basically takes one of the 12 pixels, splits it into 4, and then does some magic trickery. We've got HDR mode, we have got hyperlapses. Yeah, it does a lot. It's pretty much a really good flying camera. So in my opinion, if you're looking to purchase this, you may be looking at the new Mini 3 Pro, which was released, I think, for purchase about 2-3 days ago. But £709 with one battery, and you don't get that really nice smart controller with the built-in screen. You want that, you're talking £859, I think. By the time you had a Fly More combo, so 2 extra batteries, you're in for over £1,000, which then puts it into Mavic Air 2 S category, which is a better drone. Now, technically, both of those on paper really are better than the Air 2. But the Air 2's main competitor in terms of price will be the Mini 2 Fly More combo. Now, I recently picked this up again. This is the third time, you heard me right, of me having owned the Mavic Air 2 because the first 2 times I either didn't really use it or I wanted the money to buy something else. But now I'm trying to grow this channel, so now it's time to subscribe, please, like the video. And, you know, I think this drone can really help me in just leveling up the videos. I've seen the likes of Peter McKinnon, Peter Lindgren, all the Peters. In the beginning, they just do a few seconds of drone shots or something like that, and it really sets the video off, tees it up nicely. So I'm hoping I can emulate something that those guys do. But back to the point in hand, I just paid 500 quid for this with the Fly More combo. So not to bore you, you get the 3 batteries, the bag, the ND filters, spare props, all of that. Now, 500 quid, absolute steal at 500 quid. Now, it's roughly 500 to 600 quid in the UK to buy one, roughly on the likes of eBay and Facebook and all those places you can buy them. Now, obviously with the Mini 3 Pro releasing, there's an abundance more of them because people are either upgrading their Air 2 or their Mini 2 to the 3 Pro, or the Mini 3 Pro should I say. So that means that a lot of people are still really scared about that 250 gram limit, which I wouldn't really pay too much attention to. It doesn't really make much of a difference, and I wouldn't be put off by the heavier drone like the Air 2, considering it can do a lot more. Now, price wise, like I said, I paid 500, it's been 500 to 600 quid I would say you've got to pay for the Fly More. The Mini 2s are roughly 400 to 450, or 350 now, 350 to 450 I would say. So for the sake of about 100 quid, you're getting a much better, way more capable, more future-proof drone for that money. So that is reason number 1 why I'd buy the Mavic Air 2. Now let's just consider a few major differences I get. Firstly, 4K 60. You can shoot 4K slow motion on the Air 2, you can't on the Mini 2. We've also got obstacle avoidance. So if you want it in either brake mode or bypass mode, you can do that. So you've got some sort of safety net built in, don't rely on it. But Mini 2, it's not in there. A big thing which I like is picture profiles. So we've got D-Cine-like in the Mavic Air 2, Mavic Mini 2, no picture profiles at all. So those 3 things there are what I would consider enough to make it the upgrade. On top of that, you've got obviously the stuff that I believe it's probably the obstacle avoidance which allows you to do, but the tracking you, so following you, point of interest mode or spotlight mode, which are 3 things, hyperlapsing, things like that. They're what the Air 2 can do, which the Mini 2 can't. Also, it's a little bit heavier, so although DJI claims they've got the same wind resistance, we all know for a fact in windy conditions such as here in the UK, which is more often than not, the Air 2 is just gonna handle the wind better. It's got bigger motors and it's heavier, so it's just gonna do better. Simple as that. So I think that about wraps this one up, guys. Just really simple outlining the points which I think make the Air 2 the drone to buy in 2022. So as ever, if you've got any questions, please leave them down below. I'll answer them, no problem. Like the video, please. Subscribe to the channel. There's plenty more stuff coming. I'm going to do more and more videos with the Air 2. Just try and get to that 1,000 subscribers so I can get some of the money back. But yeah, have a great day and I'll catch you in the next one.